Namaste everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to 6th lecture of Factorization. In this lecture we are going to see factors of a non-perfect square trinomial. To find the factors of a non-perfect square trinomial of the second degree, let us consider type as ax square plus bx plus c. Here we will find two numbers, say p and q, whose sum is equals to this middle term b and whose product is equals to a into c. Then we will write ax square plus bx plus c as ax square plus px plus qx plus c. So here you understand what we are doing. This ax square plus bx plus c is a non-perfect square trinomial. Now when I am saying it is non-perfect square trinomial, that means it is not the square of any binomial, right? So here we are going to get two different factors. The coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the constant term is c. Now let us see an example to understand how we factorize. So first problem we will take x square plus 5x plus 6. Now as discussed, here we first see what is a into c. So here if you compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, you will find the value of a as 1, value of c as 6 and value of b as 5. Now you have to find the two factors of 6 such that their addition is 5. So different factors of 6 are like 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Now I can split 6 into factors as 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6 into 1, like that. Now in that if you see 2 into 3, then 2 into 3 is giving me 6 and 2 plus 3 is giving me 5. So I split this 6 as 2 and 3. Now here this number a into c is positive, so its factor are either both positive or both negative. This you have to keep in your mind, that when a into c is positive, both the factors are positive or both the factors are negative, and when this a into c is negative, then one factor is positive and other is negative. Now which is positive, which is negative depends on the sign of this middle term, right? If the middle term is negative sign, then the larger term is negative, and if the middle term is positive, then the larger term is positive. So here I will write this 5x as 3x plus 2x. So my expression will become x square plus 3x plus 2x plus c. Now if you see these first two terms, here you can take x common. So take x common from these two terms, you will get x into x plus 3. Now from these two terms you can take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, again you have x plus 3. Now you take x plus 3 common. So in bracket you have x plus 3, in other bracket you have x plus 2. So I hope you understand little bit how you can solve this non-perfect square trinomial. Why I am saying this is non-perfect square trinomial? Here you find two factors, x plus 3 and x plus 2. So it is not the square of any binomial, right? Okay. Now let us see second question. X square minus 7x plus 12. Now tell me what you do here. First you will see what is a into c. So your a into c is 12. Now you have to divide this 12 into factors such that their addition is minus 7. Now as this 12 is positive and its two factors are negative, so both the factors must be negative. So if you work out, you will find that two factors are minus 4 and minus 3. So you rewrite this equation as x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Now from these first two terms you can take x common. So after taking x common, you will get x minus 4. Now from these two terms you can take minus 3 common. So you will again get x minus 4. You have to keep in mind that once you get a one factor like x minus 4, so here also you must get x minus 4 as a factor. If you are not getting, then you are definitely doing some mistake in your problem. Now x minus 4 is common, so take x minus 4 common. So in one bracket you have x minus 4 and in other bracket you have x minus 3. So this x square minus 7x plus 12 gives you x minus 4 into x minus 3. Third question is x square minus 11x minus 80. So here a into c is minus 80. So you find two factors of minus 80 such that their addition is minus 11. So let us first factorize this 80. So I will factorize. You all know how to factorize, how to find prime factors. So let us solve, find the prime factors. So you will get that 80 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, right? So these are different factors, but I have to club them into part such that their addition is minus 11. So I have minus 80 and I have to split these factors into parts such that their addition is minus 11. So as this term is negative, two factors are one positive and one negative, and the larger factor should be a negative one. Now as this is an odd number, so I have one factor even and one factor odd, so that their difference is odd. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, you take one factor as minus 16 and other factor is plus 5. With the practice you will able to solve all these things smoothly. If you are not doing practice, then it is bit difficult for you. So x square minus 11x minus 80 I will write as x square minus 16x plus 5x minus 80. Now from first two terms I will take x common. So after taking x common I have x minus 16, plus from here I will take 5 common, so I have again x minus 16. Now x minus 16 I will take common, so I have x minus 16 into x plus 5. This is the required factor of x square minus 11x minus 80. Now let us move to fourth question. Fourth question is m square plus 17mn minus 84n square. And now here a into c, if you see, so a into c is 1 into minus 84, that is minus 84. So again you will first find factors of 84, then you club them into groups such that their addition is 17. Now as I have one term positive, one negative, so positive term definitely is greater than 17, and so that their difference comes out to 17. So here you can try like 7 3 are 21, 2 2 are 4. So from 21 minus 4, if you see, you will get 17. So you take two factor as 21 and minus 4. Now you will write this m square plus 17mn minus 84n square as m square plus 21mn minus 4mn minus 84n square. Now from these first two terms you can take m common. So in one bracket you have m, in other bracket you have m plus 21n minus 4n you can take common, again you have m plus 21. So once you get m plus 21 here, you should have in your mind that here also you will get m plus 21. So to have m only, you have to take minus 4n common, right? Now m plus 21n is common, I will take out, and in other bracket I will have m minus 4n. So m square plus 17mn minus 84n square is m plus 21n into m minus 4n. Now let us see this fifth question. X plus 5 into x minus 10 plus 14. Now here first you open this bracket, that you multiply this x plus 5 with x minus 10. So let us open the bracket and simplify it. We get x square minus 5x minus 36. Now a into c is minus 36. Here I have to split this minus 36 into factors such that their addition is minus 5. So one factor definitely greater than minus 5 and other factor is smaller it. So this minus 36 I can split as minus 9 and 4. Their difference is minus 5 and their product is minus 36. So I will write this as x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 36. Now from these first two brackets I can take x common. So after taking x common I have x minus 9. Now here also I should have x minus 9. So I will take 4 common and I get x minus 9. Now I will take x minus 9 common. So I have x minus 9 into x plus 4. Sixth question is 25x square minus x square minus 36 the whole square. So here if you see, this is of the form of a square minus b square. So this 25x square I can write 5x the whole square minus x square minus 36 the whole square. So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So let us write this as 5x plus x square minus 36 into 5x minus x square plus 36. So when I am subtracting, this plus sign will become minus and minus sign will become plus. Now I rearrange them in proper order. So here I will get x square plus 5x minus 36, and here I will get 36 plus 5x minus x square. Now a into c, if you see here I have minus 36, here also I have minus 36, and their addition means I will find two factors such that their sum is equals to 5 and product is equals to minus 36. So you try, you will get 9 and minus 4. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5 and 9 into minus 4 gives you minus 36. So I will write this x square plus 5x minus 36 as x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36, and here it is 36 plus 5x I will write as 9x minus 4x minus x square. Now here I can take x common. So after taking x common, I have x plus 9. Now here I want x plus 9, so I will take minus 4 common. So here also I have x plus 9. Now 36 and 9x. So here I can take 9 common. So after taking 9 common, here I have 4 plus x. I want 4 plus x. So here I will take minus x common. So again here I have 4 plus x. Now here if you see, you can take x plus 9 common. So in one bracket you have x plus 9, in other bracket you have x minus 4. And here you can take 4 plus x common. So after taking 4 plus x common, you have 9 minus x. So your factors of 25x square minus 36 the whole square is x plus 9 into x minus 4 into 4 plus x into 9 minus x. Seventh question is 6 minus x the whole square minus 3x. Now here again we have to first expand this 6 minus x the whole square. So let us expand and simplify. I will get x square minus 15x plus 36. Now here a into c is 36. So I have to find two factors of 36 whose addition is minus 15. Now as this is positive number, its two factors should be either both positive or both negative. As here I have minus 15, so I will take two minus factors. So minus 12 minus 3, their product is 36 and their addition gives me minus 15. So I will write this minus 15x as minus 12x minus 3x. So this expression will become x square minus 12x minus 3x plus 36. You take x common from these first two terms. So after taking x common, I have x minus 12. Here I should have x minus 12. So what I will do, I will take minus 3 common. So after taking minus 3 common, here also I have x minus 12. Now I take x minus 12 common. So in one bracket I have x minus 12 and in other bracket I have x minus 3. Eighth question is 3y square minus 30y plus 48. Now you have solved so many problems. So now you can try these problems yourself. What you have to do, you have to first multiply a with c. So 3 into 48 you multiply and then you have to find two factors such that their addition is minus 30. Or what you can do, you can see if there is anything common. So 3 you find is common. So take 3 out. Now you have y square minus 10y plus 16. Now this is little simpler expression than this 3y square minus 30y plus 48. So here if you see a into c is 16, you have to find two factors of 16 such that their addition is minus 10. As this is positive, so I took two factors which are both negative so that their product is positive. So you will find minus 8 and minus 2. Their product is 16 and their addition will give you minus 10. So you will write this as 3 into y square minus 8y minus 2y plus 16. Now here you can take y common. So take y common. So in one bracket you have y minus 8. Here to have y minus 8, you take minus 2 common. So after taking minus 2 common, here also you have y minus 8. Now take y minus 2 common. So you have 3 into y minus 8 into y minus 2. So these are the required factors of 3y square minus 30y plus 48. Ninth question is p plus q the whole square plus 2 into p plus q minus 3. Now here instead of expanding this, what I will do, I will consider this p plus q as a single variable. So let us take this p plus q as x. So my expression will become x square plus 2x minus 3. Now this is simple, you can factorize it. So you have to find two factors of minus 3 such that their addition is 2 and their product is minus 3. So you take two factors as 3 and minus 1. So write this expression as x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now from these first two terms you can take x common. So after taking x common, you have x plus 3 in one bracket. Now you want x plus 3 here also. So take minus 1 common. So after taking minus 1 common, you have x plus 3. Now you take x plus 3 common. So in one bracket you have x plus 3 and in other bracket you have x minus 1. Now we have assumed x which is p plus q. So I will replace this x with p plus q. So in one bracket I have p plus q plus 3 and in other bracket I have p plus q minus 1. Now let us see the final question. X square plus x the whole square plus 4 into x square plus x minus 21. So here what we will do, we will take x square plus x as say y or p or q, whatever we want we can write symbol. So let us take x square plus x as y. So our expression will become y square plus 4y minus 21. Now I have to find two factors of minus 21 such that their addition is 4. So those two factors are 7 and minus 3. Their addition is plus 4 and their product is minus 21. So I will write this y square plus 4y minus 21 as y square plus 7y minus 3y minus 21. Now I will take y common from first two terms. I will get y into y plus 7. Now here I want y plus 7, so I take minus 3 common. So here also I have y plus 7. Now I take y plus 7 common. So in one bracket I have y plus 7, another bracket I have y minus 3. So this is the required factor of x square plus x the whole square plus 4 into x square plus x minus 21. Now I will replace this y with x square plus x. So my expression will become x square plus x plus 7 and x square plus x minus 3. Okay, so I will stop here. Thank you.